we both get there our own way. Thistle and an apple tree, how different two souls can be.
Hi guys, welcome back. We are sorry we've been so quiet on here and we haven't had a video put up for such a long time, but we had Travis's chipper stolen that he needs for work, and
it's been pretty shit, really.
yeah, it's been pretty shit. We've had lots to deal with because it was nicked from our home, so we've had police and insurance, and yeah, financially we didn't know whether we were still going to be able to put the money into doing the bus, and also mood. It affected our mood. We didn't really feel like doing it, did we? Sort of felt a bit violated that someone had come onto our property and stolen something that we've worked incredibly hard to be able to buy. You know, it's £20,000 worth of equipment. Insurance are being arseholes and trying to get out of paying. So we've had a lot going on anyway. But we're back and we are now going to get Gus finished because we can't wait to...
Get on the road.
Yeah, get on the road and do some travelling this year, and hopefully this year's going to be a better one than last year.
For real.
So yeah, we're back now. We're back working on Gus. So I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, we'll catch up soon.
Bye.
In true Sargentson style, the first thing we decided to do once we'd laid the floor was grind off the side rail, so it made it easier for us to insulate the side of the bus. Why we didn't do this before we laid the floor is beyond me, but hey. Even though I had goggles on while I was using the angle grinder, a bit flew off and went in my eye. So it was Travis to the rescue.
Are you kerning? It's like something...
You're going to have to just pull it open. When I know that that's going in there, I'm not going to be able to pull it open.
Alright. It's like the Goonies. Hey, you guys. No, you
I can't pull it open. Oh! And as you can see, this didn't go too well. I think I got more saline in my mouth than I did my eye. But It was all good in the end. Oh, you can't put all that in. Okay, so we have successfully removed the metal rail from this side of the bus. Now we're on to this side of the bus.
Hi guys, we're calling it a day now. We've got the, as Jeanette showed you earlier, both the rails off the side of the bus. We're back tomorrow, going to be getting the Maxx Air Fan in the roof, which is, exciting. So cutting a hole in the roof tomorrow, getting the air fan fitted. So yeah, that's what we're doing tomorrow. So we'll catch you later. Cheers.
So today's the day. The Maxx Air Fan is going in the roof of the bus. We're excited, nervous, apprehensive, but we've got Jimmy here to help us, so I'm sure it will all be fine.
Sorry, I just got away the camera.
So that's the template all measured out. So now it's time to cut the hole in Gus.
What are you giggling at, Ginger?
Your pencil just broke.
Oh, give another one.
No, that's all right for now. We're all right.
Someone on our roof. dry fit the Maxx Air Fan just to test it. We're going to connect it to the transit battery just to see it working. So I'm just going to put that in there.
So what have you got there?
What we've got here, just some heat shrink and some connectors. Some cables.
Superb. Let's do this. So we're now testing the Maxx Air Fan, aren't we, Jimmy?
They are.
Woo! Superb, look at that. Well done, Jimmy.
Yeah, brilliant.
So I'm up on the top of the bus, and it just gives you a bit of an idea of what wonderful views we're going to be able to see when we have our deck in. I'm so damn excited. So now the Maxx Air Fan was in, we thought while we were putting holes in the bus, we might as well get the electric hookup done as well.
Hello, electric hookup. Hello. Right. Hi guys, we're done for today. We have, what have we got done today? We've got the Maxx Air Fan, yeah. And what else we get in? I said we the royal way with Jimmy as well. He's been just amazing today.
The electric hookup.
And the electric hookup as well. So that's on the side of the bus, just dry fitted. It's got a hole in, but not secured. So
yeah, it's been a good day, isn't it?
Yeah, really good. So if you like what you've seen from Jeanette's recording, just give us a thumbs up and a like. And if you want to subscribe to the page, then please do. We'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.